You about Forbes magazine is reporting that the County of Maui is now the target of a wrongful death lawsuit. Maui Alert has been able to confirm that the county has been sued along with Hawaiian Electric company by the plaintiff named Howard Wells. This is a lawsuit that appears to have been filed today. Again, this is a lawsuit claiming a wrongful death case involving a woman who is the daughter of the plaintiff in this case. Just getting word of this, we have left messages for both the county and the lawyers involved in this case. We're waiting to hear back about further allegations, but we can tell you, based on what Forbes is reporting, Forbes magazine that is reporting, is that this is a wrongful death case based on the fact that the county did not sound the warning system, did not sound those sirens back on August 8th when this fire broke out. And that contributed to the death of this gentleman's daughter. In addition to that, it says the county failed to enforce regulations or enact regulations that also might have prevented the death of his daughter, and that is being alleged as well in the case. In addition to the county, it does appear as though the state of Hawaii has been sued as well, in addition to Hawaiian Electric Company. Now, you might remember that Hawaiian Electric Company was the target of a lawsuit filed by the County of Maui early on. The County of Maui saying, well, it was Hawaiian Electric's fault for failing to de-energize its lines and maintain its poles correctly. So lots of fault being alleged here, and the specifics, some of the specifics we just don't have yet. The filing, the complaint as they call it in legal parlance, is not available publicly at this point, as far as we can tell. We have requested that, but we're waiting yet to see it. But the essence of this is that basically the county was negligent, and it led to the death of this one person who has a different name than Howard Wells. That woman, according to the lawsuit, was his daughter. Rebecca Rands was her name, according to the Forbes reporting. That is not something that we've seen in the complaint itself. As I mentioned, we haven't received that yet. But again, 115 people confirmed dead here. One of them, one of those in that number, the relatives of which is saying the county was negligent. You do the math, other people start to make similar allegations, and the county could be in real trouble in terms of in just fighting these cases. And of course, it takes a long way from filing a case to going to trial or even a settlement. A lot of discovery to be had, and the people that we talk to say there's still not a lot of answers in some quarters from the county itself about what happened, which really raises a lot of additional questions. But those are things that we are looking into. The county, the mayor on Friday said, look, this is not the time to be pointing fingers. This is not the time to be asking what happened. This is the time to be healing. Clearly, the county is not, the plaintiffs in this case are not taking that standing still. So we're going to go for now. It looks like the lawyer is calling us, and we will